So this is the Anastasia Glow Kit, and this color is Sun Dipped. I love this, especially in the summertime. So it has the protective sleeve that it comes with. Love that. It also has the protective plastic. Love that. It's always, you know, I love this brand. It's high quality packaging, high quality products. The colors are really, really pretty. So you have a, oh, their lighting's better. You have the bronzed, summer, tourmaline, and moonstone. So I'll try to show you a little bit. So that's the, wow, that's so pretty. That's the bronzed. The summer, I use this one like in the creases of my eyes, you know, right in the corners there to brighten it up. Look at those, so pretty. Super good pigment on those, wow. And then last one, this one's my favorite. This is kind of like a rose gold color. So you can see I barely touched those. Like I didn't rub heavily on them, and super pigmented. They go on beautifully, just like all of her products. There's a lot of product in them, so it's worth the price because these will last forever, especially for me. Yeah, it's a big palette. So this will give you all the ingredients, dermatologist tested, non-comedogenic. And yeah, so I would highly recommend. I love this. I use it almost daily, depending on, you know, how dramatic I want to look. But 10 out of 10, love Anastasia products.